In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Gemini. Google Gemini is a free AI tool just like ChatGPT. You can use it to make research. The same thing ChatGPT does is what Google Gemini can do. The same thing Claude AI does is what Google Gemini can do. The same thing Perplexity does is what Google Gemini can do. You can use it to ask questions, write code, generate images, generate infographics, videos, and do research. So to get started, all you need is a Google account, your Gmail, and you come to gemini.google.com, then you sign in. Remember, it is free. Once you sign in, you are going to see an interface here. This is where you can ask your question. If you want to generate an image, you select image and type it in here. If you want to generate a video, you select video and type it in here. If you want to do deep research, you do it here, you select it. If you want to create canvas, just like document and apps, you select this and you can start creating a quiz app or any app you want. If you want to upload a file, you click here and you select the file you want to upload. Then over here, you are going to see all the projects you have worked with on Google Gemini. They are all saved here. You can revisit them. Now you can see that I use this to generate a video. This is how to generate a video. I simply selected video and asked it to generate a 6-month-old baby sitting in a sofa playing guitar. And this is the video. Then I also use this to generate an image. Look at the image I generated with Google Gemini. I generated several images with Google Gemini. You can see this. I generated this. I just gave it a prompt of what I wanted. I also used it to generate a thumbnail for a YouTube video. You can see this is a sample of a thumbnail I generated. So you can do a whole lot of things with Google Gemini. You can ask questions, make research, generate images. All you need to do is to click on New Chat. And once you're on New Chat, if you want to generate a video, you tap on video and you enter or describe your video. It is important to understand that this works on your phone as well. You can download the app from Play Store or Apple Store, or you can use your browser to access it. While using your browser, you can choose to work with the mobile view, or you can switch to desktop view to have a computer view experience. So this is how Google Gemini works. All you need to do is to ask a question. You can say, what is the latest news or invention in AI? Make it brief. And it's going to give you an answer in seconds. So this is the latest news around AI happening right now as I'm making this video. So whatever you want, an image, a picture, you can select image and say purple hair lady with ice cream. Then it's going to generate the image. Can you see? It has generated the image. You can make adjustments and changes to it. So this is how you can use Google Gemini. Remember that Google Gemini is free of charge. Instead of paying for other tools, you can just use your Gmail, sign in, and have access to Google Gemini, generate images, generate videos, write code for apps, generate documents, PDF, do deep research, and every other thing any other tool can do out there like ChatGPT. So this is the complete basic guide you need when it comes to working with Google Gemini. If you want to rename your work so that you can easily access them, you just tap on these 3 vertical dots and click on rename and give it a name so that you can easily access your work anytime, any day. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.